It is about 10 after 1. We have spent since, well, D since about 9:30, and the kids and me since 10:30, shoveling, snow blowing, roof raking, and our back deck looks like this. There's already a ½ inch on here. We just came in. I'll show you. We're inside now. The family is exhausted and back in their pajamas. Everybody say hello.
Hi!
And it is still snowing like a banshee. So there's 3 inches in the driveway since Dee did his snow blowing. There's the kids' fort they built. It is not stopping at all. It's still coming down. And it's beautiful, but it is an impressive amount of snow. The mailbox, if you can see way down there, all you can see is the head. Pretty funny. The dog is completely freaking out. Yeah, you can hear the dog. There's mass melee. We've seen one car come. Oh, hi, Jack. Hi, get it. That's a pile on the floor. A dog on the floor.
You get him. Oh, you get him.
Forced family fun. Oh, God. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh. Let's see how the front looks. That we shoveled earlier. What the heck, Martha? Well, it was shoveled. It is absolutely beautiful, though. Really, really pretty. Hmm.